we had our recipe club meeting.
Yes.
How many have you done, Cheryl, so far?
This year or
No,
last 12 years?
The last 12 years.
The last 12 years we've done 12, say 96.
96 of them.
Yeah.
They're getting better, huh?
Yeah, they are. They are. We're getting. We seem to be encouraging more people to come and be interested in eating a plant-based diet. Yeah, as an alternative to flesh foods.
How was the food today?
Oh, it's lovely. Absolutely lovely.
Now, this man here has not been won over easily, but you really liked the balls tonight, didn't you?
Oh, absolutely. Yes, yes, all of them, yes.
My parents know, right? Because they bought me a whole plate. They know. And Mum says always, "You got to eat, Peter. You got to eat."
Yes,
yes. So, when's the next one?
The next one is on the 6th of August.
6th of August. Now, for anybody watching this, it's getting really exciting. I wouldn't miss it at all. I'd be here. If you're a part of one of the other groups, you might be doing the gardening. And if you're part of the gardening group, right, it's very important to come here, because what are you going to do with all the veggies when you pull them out?
Exactly.
You've got to know what to do with them.
Yeah, and they'll be super good because they'll be organic.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then
and you'll want to eat them. You grew them.
Yeah.
Put in a bit of time and energy. You'd want to eat them.
And then the fermenting group.
Yes.
Fermenting foods group. Now, if you've got all those veggies, you can ferment them.
Yeah, well, the next fermenting interest group we have on this coming Wednesday, we're going to be learning how to do ferment. We'll do kimchi, which is fermented vegetables. So
okay, so what's the date next Wednesday? Today's the 4th, Monday.
It's on the 6th of June.
6th of June. There we go.
Yep.
Okay, so come and visit our website. Go into the support groups area, and you'll find the Kilcoy support groups there. Then there's the walking thing. They walked horses last week.
Sunday, and they took a lunch. Everyone bought a lunch, and they walked the horses, which is apparently very therapeutic to you. You know, not only physically, but it helps you emotionally.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, very much so.
I must walk a horse one day.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. And so then you have all this good food, you grow your veggies, you know how to cook them, you know how to ferment them, which is fantastic for our gut health, very important.
Yes.
And then you've got all of that energy to burn, you've got to go walk these horses.
But it's not only about that, it's about a social, you've got a social atmosphere.
Yeah.
You know, you're meeting new people as well. You know, there's people that have started coming to Recipe Club, 10 years ago. They've got friendships now that they would not have had except for...
But we've seen that in the groups here through the Diabetic Health program. When the people started working together and the blood pressures came down, the cholesterols came down, the blood sugars came down, the weight came down, they started looking differently, and they're all travelling through that experience together. You can't help but be friends with people.
Yeah,
You've got something very much in common.
Definitely. And I think that's the appeal of Recipe Club too, is that you've got like-minded people, and you can you can share your experiences and what you like and what you don't like and stuff like that.
Yep. So I just want to encourage everybody to come along to the groups. Remember, the aim of this whole project is to change the health of the town.
Yes.
And it's starting to happen in a real way now. People are really getting involved after the program. We will have some very special things happening in the future, so you're going to need to keep your eyes open and ears tuned in. Keep visiting the website. We'll have stuff up there. Kilcoy is going to be an amazing story.
Yep.
Definitely.
Anything else you want to say?
No, it's all good. Don't knock it till you try it.
Excellent.
And he's trying.
All right. We'll see you at one of the next meetings, guys.
Okay.
Yes, definitely.
Good.
See ya.
Okay.